For this example project that we're working on, I would like you to go to the X drive on our Mount Sac server. Go to our class session right here, $, ARC 122 Spring 2017. When you open that up, you'll find again the videos that are being recorded, as well as this project that we're doing right now. So the Hillside Retreat, site information, we have these three files. These are the ones that you pretty much received in, or I'm sorry, this one, the top one is the one that you received in 101. This bottom one is a little bit of expansion of each site, and so for our exercise we're going to use this one as example. The one that says example at the end is the one that we'll be using right now. Okay, so please find that file when you get back to your computer. When you open that up, you will find this document. It is a Rhino model, and it pretty much shows a typical topo map. Okay, we're going to say that this is just like our site information, so that each of these topo lines are in 2-foot increments. The highlighted lines are the 10-foot increments, and so on and so on. This site is not any of the A, B, C, D sites, so when you do this, you'll pretty much have to do your own site later. But for today, I would like for you to complete this exercise. Okay? So go ahead and set everything up to how you work in Rhino, and just let this topo show. Like I said, we are going to draw or to interpolate lines between these existing lines. This is a flat topography map, so what we're going to have to do first is to create a model, a hillside model. To do that, since these are set up as individual topo lines, we'll derive a topo model from this. Okay, so first thing that we're going to do is to, well, for ease of everything, I'm going to go to the layers and turn off the layers that I don't really need right now, which should get me just my topo. So if I turn the default off, all I'm left is the lines for the topography. Okay, you will select all of your topo lines. I'm going to forget about this one because it's probably going to be not that important. The reason being that our property is basically this part right here. Okay, what you want to do when you do this exercise is to go a little bit beyond your property so that your computer can interpolate your site a little bit more accurately. So select your topo lines and move them up to the increments that it's supposed to be. So this is 2-foot difference in each one, so we'll keep moving this up. Whoops. We'll keep moving these up 2 feet. So 2 feet. And if we go ahead and hit Control, hit the lowest one, we can move the rest of them up 2 feet again. We'll continue that process. So remove the bottom one, 2 feet up. Remove the last one, and 2 feet up. Remove the last one, 2 foot up again. Remove the last one, 2 foot. Remove the last one again, and then 2 foot. Okay, since these guys are kind of minor, I'm just going to delete these. And again, our site is pretty much in the middle of this anyway, so that shouldn't matter, or that shouldn't affect our site. Okay, so in this way, we moved each of the topo lines so that it is showing at 2-foot intervals now. Okay, so all these sites are shown as 2-foot intervals.